All right, let's just get right into it. For the last year or so, it feels like the whole world has been obsessed with AI, right? From ChatGPT to all those image generators. It's been called the next great revolution. But what if I told you that entire AI revolution is about to slam into a massive wall? What if AI isn't actually the main event at all?
Hey, don't take my word for it. Just listen to the CEO of OpenAI himself, Sam Altman. He's pretty much admitting that this whole AI gold rush has a fundamental flaw, a bottleneck that you can't solve with more data or smarter code. The real problem isn't the software, you see, it's the electricity.
And that's the hard truth nobody really wants to talk about. See, every single breakthrough we get in AI needs exponentially more power to run. We're talking about data centers that use the same amount of energy as an entire city just to train one new model. AI is hitting a ceiling, and that ceiling is the very real physical limit of our power grids.
But while AI is running out of steam, there's a completely new kind of computer that's just getting warmed up. And I'm not talking about just a faster version of what we have now. No, this is a machine that works on a totally different set of rules, one that's going to make today's AI look like a pocket calculator. So welcome to the world of quantum computing.
So here's the fundamental difference. Your laptop, your phone, even a supercomputer, they all think sequentially. They try one path, then the next, just really, really fast. A quantum computer, though, it doesn't bother trying one path. It explores every single path at the same time. It exists in all possible solutions at once and then just collapses into the right answer. It doesn't just think faster, it literally thinks differently.
So what does thinking differently actually get you? Well, Google's Willow Chip recently showed us. It solved a problem in just 5 minutes, a problem that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10 septillion years to crack. That's a 1 with 24 zeros after it. I mean, we're not talking about a small improvement here. We're talking about a leap so big, it's almost impossible to wrap your head around.
And that power is exactly why this whole thing is so strategic. Right now, there are only about 200 of these machines in the entire world. And get this, China considers the exact number they have to be a state secret. That tells you everything you need to know about how valuable and how powerful this technology is about to become. The quantum race is already on.
Okay, so what do you do with a computer that can solve problems that would take a normal computer longer than the age of the universe? Well, you start solving the impossible. And in doing that, you start building a completely new future.
For starters, think about discovering new medicines. Right now, it takes, 15 years and billions of dollars to test molecules one by one? A quantum computer can simulate every possible combination at the same time. This means we could create personalized drugs designed specifically for your unique body chemistry, not in a decade, but as a matter of routine.
Or what about something like climate change? Our current models are huge simplifications because we just can't process all the variables. A quantum computer could model the entire Earth's weather system with near-perfect accuracy. It could give us decades of advance warning on climate patterns and extreme weather events.
Hey, remember that energy problem AI has? Yeah, quantum can solve that too. It could perfectly balance the thousands of inputs from solar, wind, and other renewables on a national grid in real time. That means preventing blackouts and creating a truly stable, green energy system.
Now, this all sounds pretty incredible, right? But this kind of unprecedented power, well, it has a dark side, a very, very dark side. And there's a moment coming that intelligence agencies and security experts have a chilling name for: Q-Day.
Just ask yourself this. What would happen if every password, every bank account, every military secret, every single encrypted message you've ever sent suddenly became as easy to read as a children's book? Because that is both the promise and the terrifying threat of Q-Day. It's the day all of our current encryption just stops working.
And look, this is not some distant science fiction. This timeline shows just how close we are. By 2025, quantum sensors will be common. By 2027, we're going to see the first big breakthroughs in medicine and finance. And by 2030, a lot of experts think Q-Day could actually arrive, forcing us to completely rebuild global digital security from the ground up.
The threat is already here. Right now, nations are using a strategy called Harvest Now, Decrypt Later. They are stealing massive amounts of encrypted data today, your data, corporate data, government secrets, and they're just stockpiling it, waiting patiently for the day their quantum computers are strong enough to crack it all wide open.
So, when you look at the world-changing potential on one hand and the world-breaking risk on the other, one thing becomes crystal clear.
We are leaving the AI age before most people even knew it began. We are all entering a brand new reality, the quantum age. This really puts it all in perspective. You've got AI on one side, it's software. Its whole job is to optimize things we already have, but it's limited by energy and physics. And then you have quantum. It's entirely new hardware. Its job isn't to optimize, it's to discover brand new things. And its only real limitation is the laws of the universe itself.
So here's probably the best way to think about it. This whole AI party has been fun, for sure, but it was never the main event. AI is the warm-up band, you know? It's getting us all excited and used to the idea of machine intelligence. But quantum is the rock star that's about to walk on stage. And it's going to be a completely different show.
So the most crucial point to take away is this. Stop thinking of AI as the final destination. It's not. AI is the essential, absolutely vital middleware. It's the bridge that's carrying us from where we are now into the quantum future. And eventually, AI will run on quantum computers, and that will change everything all over again.
The quantum age isn't coming, it's already here. Most people just don't have the framework to see it yet. But now, you do. So the only real question left is, will you be ready for it when it truly arrives?